Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how this official recognition website is working. So let's begin. So at the top you can see a title of a recognition. After that you can see a text in which it is written. This model is trained to find out the following people, the name of them and the images with it. After that, we can see a button in red background and text in white color. After that, you can see me in a div, and again you can see the result in one more div. Then show the result button is there with green background, then the text in white color. After that, you can see two texts and some break in it. So let's see how this website functions. So when I click on this take my image button, you can see the same image which is taken. Now, then if I click on the show the result button, you can see my image is downloaded in my laptop and how much it is matching with the image of the following people which were written at the top and the person name. So as it shows correctly means my website is working fine. Friends, there are many steps need to be followed to make this kind of website. So let's see those steps one by one. So our first step is to get the camera on it. Then the second step is to show the taken image. Third, to check the image is matching with the one of the image which is there. And the last step is to show the result taken by the image. So let's check it each and everything in detail. So camera to take the image. So we need to install the camera in our website with the library and library link we add. After that we go to our second step in which we are showing the image. Like let me draw image here of one of the a normal stick person. So suppose this person was in front of the camera and when clicking on the taken image, it shows this kind of image. Okay. After taking that image, we move to our third step. In this third step, the link which we have created in our previous videos, that link, with the help of that link, we are checking one thing that this image is matching with one of the image which is there. If yes, if it is true, it will show the result on the screen that this much percentage it is matching with this person. If it is not yes, it is no, then it will, according to that, it will take a random, will take random person from it, person and percentage. It will show the random person as well as the random percentage on the screen to show that it has checked from the given data. That it will do with it. Now friends, let's move on the code what I have prepared to work with this website. So in the previous video we have already done the HTML code. Now let's work on the JS code right now. So first of all, I've given the setting to attach a webcam, means camera. Webcam.set. Height I have given 350 pixels, width also 350 pixels. Image format is PNG. Image quality is 90, which is good ratio for the image which is downloaded. Then camera equals to document.getElementById by ID camera. It means that we have created a div in the previous video, as you remember, that ID we have taken to show the webcam in the variable, and webcam.attach, webcam is attached in the variable, means in the div camera. Okay. Then function take image. So basically in this function, what we are going to do? We are going to take the image, show it in the div tab result. So in take image, we have already created a button. Let me show you. This one it is take my image button. In that webcam.snap. So with this name, we can relate that camera snapshot means our image selfie snapshot, and then function data URI. It means that the function is there in the round brackets. We have written data URI. In the function data, in the variable data URI, we are going to store the images which is there to show it on the result div. Then document.getElementById result.innerHTML. You all know it is used to show element or text on a particular on a particular component. In that, what I have written, let me show you. Image ID capture image source plus data URI plus closed. It means that image ID is going to be capture image, source is going to be the data URI, which I showed you little bit minute ago. Then in console.log, we are checking the version of ML5. Then classifier equals to ML5 image classifier. In that we are adding the takeable machine link and model.json. With this format, it is only going to be supported. And model loading means it is a function. After that, function model loaded, we are just showing that model is loaded, nothing else. Now we are having a function check. Check is not a function which is created here. We have created a function named check in an HTML with the button ID show the result. In that, we are taking two parameters. First, we are downloading the image, and second, we are checking the result which we got of the image. As I told you on the slide which I showed. Image equals to document.getElementById capture image. In the each variable with the ID capture image, we are storing that element. Then classify image comma got result. Here we are taking two parameters, image and a function got result. Then I have written the code to download the image. Link, in that we are storing the component link with the ID of it. Then in the capture image, we are taking the source and storing in the image variable, and then we are giving the href link so that it can be downloaded, and then link, if it is clicked, it should follow it. Now let's go forward with that last function. Function got result in round brackets and error comma results. What is mean by error? That failure, problem, results, achievement, how the work is performed. This is called result. If the computer found an error, then in the console.log, it will print the error which is there so that the person can know and solve the problem. Else, if it is not true, it will check that it will work on this function console.log. It will show the result. After that, in the ID with name, it will show the like the person name which is given in the website. After that, how it will show the number of percentage. But here I have used the function dot to fixed in round brackets 2. What is mean by this function? Let me tell you. 2 fixed so far we will forgot about 2 here. Only this function. So this function basically it is used. Let me take an example as 9.22567. This is a decimal number. In that I want to print this number, but after the decimal I want only these two numbers or till 5 or 6 or 7. After that I do not want. So with this help of this function we write, and after in the round brackets we write how much number we want after decimal, and that is printed there. That is the function of toFixed. There is no else function of toFixed. This is only the function for the toFixed. After that, I've used a plus to add something. In that, I've used a percent sign because it is we are getting the percent. We will leave 0 in the decimal point. We will get a percent, means 79%, 69%, like that. Now friends, let me show you again how it works. It is 81%. See? If I write here as that, or let me remain over here. We can also view the right number percent by clicking inspect console. So you can see here it shows. So what I will do, let me tell you the function of it also. Array 3, you can see 0 1 2 3 1 2. 0 means the first, 1 means the second, and 2 means the third. So here you can see the confidence. And you can see the numbers which is written. These are the number of percentage. And then what it will do, it will check which one is the highest. Then it will check, okay, suppose this one is the highest, my one. It will check, okay, then it will see the toFixed function, how much number I want after the decimal. I have written 2, so it will take only this 2, and it will add this percent sign. Like that it works. So hope you like my video. If you like, do not forget to like, share it with your friends and family members, and ask them to like as well as subscribe to my channel. Before leaving, I would like to tell you what is going to be the next video. So in the next video, I am going to show you how we design a PPT, or we can say as illustration like that we are going to design in the next video. So if you are interested, do not forget to watch it. So have a nice day ahead. Thank you.